I used to play foosball back in the 1970s and the 80s, and I recently, about 5 years ago, returned to playing in local tournaments and larger tournaments with my youngest son. Some of these large tournaments had more than 50 tables that would last for like 3 days. And I had the opportunity to meet a lot of the best players in the world, including Todd Lofredo, who's pictured here with my son at a local place that we play. And Todd was one of the stars featured in the movie Foosballers. About 4 years ago, I kind of created this foosball scoreboard. Others have kind of invented kind of similar things to this. I made it using Arduino, kind of a creator circuit board with Visuino programming. I used 7-segment displays and optical sensors. I was hoping that this might catch on and replace the silly abacus beads on the scoreboards that are on there now. So anyways, this is a video I made around 4 years ago showing the scoreboard anyway. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So I'm all done with this design, and now I want to say foosball automatic scorekeeper.
You attach it to a vacuum hose, kind of sucks your hair up into it, and
so I don't know if this would ever catch on, but I designed a foosball automatic scorekeeper with 3 Arduino boards and a little bit of programming, and don't know if it would ever catch on, but here's a little bit of how it works. Basically it works, you just, any balls that go in the goal will be automatically scored, and there's a little bit of a delay. So if the balls kind of rattle around, it doesn't score that ball more than one time. And of course, if a ball comes in and out of the goal, it won't see it. So you can simply just manually score it on whatever side it is. And of course, there's a manual reset. And I also put timeout. There's usually two timeouts per game during a tornado foosball match, and I have it so it'll score up to 3 sets. Sometimes they go 3 out of 5, not very often, usually 2 out of 3. And then I do have the, it will score up to 9. Usually games go to 5, sometimes there's overtime, but it will go up to 9. So anyways, this is just a prototype. I'm still kind of working on it. anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.